gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring is brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat don't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bowl. And if that cart and bowl turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog called Rover. And if that dog called Rover don't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart turn around, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring is brass, Daddy's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Daddy's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat don't pull, Daddy's gonna buy you a cart and bowl. And if that cart and bowl turn over, Daddy's gonna buy you a dog called Rover. And if that dog called Rover don't bark, Daddy's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart turn round, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.